Hey lovelies, welcome to my channel. My name is Sandra and I'm so happy that you're here. On my channel, I will be making DIY projects, glam home decors, and of course beauty. So if you guys are into this kind of stuff, please consider subscribing to my channel. Hey lovelies, in today's video we are going to make this beautiful fall piece. We are using 8 paint sticks from Home Depot. I went ahead and cut it out. Welcome to my channel. If this is your first time here, thank you for stopping by. We are using Dollar Tree wood glue to secure our pattern down. This is part 1 of 3 of my fall decor video. So stay tuned next week for the next project. For all my returning subscribers, thanks for watching. Hey lovelies, please consider subscribing to my channel if you are interested in DIYs, home decors, and of course beauty. Now I'm going to be working on the planter part of the project. I'm using antique wax from Waverly to stain my project. We are now applying the two pieces together to complete our project. I went ahead and put some fall flowers inside our planter to make it look beautiful. This little piece is optional, but I thought it was a nice touch if you want to write something on it. I'm writing the word fall on mine to meet this season decor, but as the season changes, you could write down whatever season you like and match it with the appropriate flowers. This piece turned out beautiful. Tell me what you guys think. Okay guys, well, comment down below, give me a like if you enjoyed the video, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next video.